Welcome back to Core Tech. Today, we're looking at one of the most visually striking and powerful gaming PCs of the year, the 2026 ASUS ROG G1000 gaming PC covered in holograms, a system that truly lives up to its tagline as an RTX 5090 and Ryzen 9 9950X 3D rig that's built to be seen. This machine isn't just about raw power, it's about redefining how a premium gaming PC looks and feels. A design built to be seen. The first thing that sets the 2026 ASUS ROG G1000 gaming PC apart is its bold holographic exterior. Instead of traditional RGB lighting alone, ASUS integrates hologram-style panels and layered visual elements that react to light and movement. The chassis feels futuristic, turning the PC into a centerpiece rather than something meant to be hidden under a desk. Every angle is designed to grab attention and showcase the hardware inside. RTX 5090 powerhouse graphics. At the heart of the 2026 ASUS ROG G1000 gaming PC is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, delivering extreme graphics performance. This GPU is built for high-refresh 4K gaming, advanced ray tracing, and next-generation AI-driven rendering. Whether it's demanding AAA games or immersive simulation titles, the RTX 5090 ensures ultra-smooth performance with visual fidelity pushed to the limit. Ryzen 9 9950X 3D performance. Powering the system is AMD's Ryzen 9 9950X 3D, making the 2026 ASUS ROG G1000 gaming PC a monster for both gaming and productivity. With 3D V-Cache technology, this processor delivers exceptional gaming frame consistency while also excelling in multitasking, streaming, and content creation. It's designed for users who want top-tier performance without compromise. Cooling and thermal engineering. Despite its eye-catching design, the 2026 ASUS ROG G1000 gaming PC takes cooling seriously. Advanced airflow channels, high-performance fans, and premium thermal solutions keep both the RTX 5090 and 9950X 3D running at optimal temperatures. The system balances performance and acoustics, ensuring stability even during extended gaming or rendering sessions. Memory and storage speed. The 2026 ASUS ROG G1000 gaming PC is equipped with high-speed memory and next-generation storage. Fast DDR memory ensures smooth multitasking, while ultra-fast NVMe storage delivers near-instant boot times and rapid game loading. Everything about the system feels responsive, reinforcing its flagship status. Software and customization. Customization is a major focus of the 2026 ASUS ROG G1000 gaming PC. ASUS ROG software allows users to control lighting effects, hologram behavior, performance profiles, and system monitoring. This level of control lets owners tailor the PC's appearance and performance to match their personal style and usage needs. Gaming and creative experience. In real-world use, the 2026 ASUS ROG G1000 gaming PC delivers a premium experience across the board. Games run at ultra settings with ease, while creators benefit from fast rendering, smooth timelines, and reliable performance. It's equally comfortable powering competitive esports sessions or cinematic single-player adventures. Who is it for? The 2026 ASUS ROG G1000 gaming PC is designed for enthusiasts who want the best performance and a bold visual statement. It's ideal for gamers, streamers, and creators who view their PC as both a tool and a showpiece. Conclusion. The 2026 ASUS ROG G1000 gaming PC covered in holograms proves that high-end hardware doesn't have to look ordinary. With RTX 5090 graphics, Ryzen 9 9950X 3D performance, and a design that demands attention, it sets a new standard for premium gaming systems.